Welcome to a journey that could transform your financial destiny. Have you ever wondered how something as simple as words can wield such immense power over our lives? In this video, we're diving deep into a fascinating concept that has the potential to change the way you think about money forever. Picture this: you're standing at the crossroads of your financial future. To the left lies a path of struggle and frustration, to the right, a road to abundance and success. What if I told you that the key to choosing the right path lies in just 4 simple words? 4 words that have the power to unlock doors you never knew existed. Today, we're not just talking about any words, we're talking about words that have been scientifically proven to influence your mindset, your actions, and ultimately, your financial outcomes. These aren't magic spells, but their effects might feel magical. By the end of this video, you will understand how to harness these words to bring about a profound change in your life. Stay with us as we unravel the mystery behind these words, explore their origins, and learn how you can use them to reshape your financial reality. Trust me, you won't want to miss a single moment of this revelation. Get ready to embark on a transformative journey that could redefine your relationship with money. Let's dive in. To truly grasp the transformative power of these 4 words, we need to understand the broader context of how words shape our reality. Words are not just mere sounds, they are powerful tools that can influence our thoughts, emotions, and actions. Throughout history, civilizations have recognized the profound impact of words. Ancient cultures believed in the power of incantations and affirmations, using them to heal, to protect, and to prosper. But beyond folklore, modern science has also uncovered the astonishing influence of language on our brains. Neuroscience has shown that words can physically alter the structure of our brains. Positive affirmations and empowering words can trigger the release of neurochemicals like dopamine and serotonin, which are essential for creating feelings of well-being and motivation. On the other hand, negative words and thoughts can increase stress hormones, leading to a cycle of anxiety and fear. Consider this: successful individuals, from athletes to entrepreneurs, often use specific words and phrases to stay motivated and focused. These words act as anchors, reminding them of their goals and keeping them aligned with their purpose. For instance, Muhammad Ali famously declared, "I am the greatest," not just as a boast, but as a powerful affirmation that fueled his legendary career. But it's not just about famous personalities. Everyday people like you and me can harness the same power. Studies have shown that people who practice positive self-talk and use empowering language are more likely to overcome challenges and achieve their financial goals. Now, let's delve into some real-life stories and case studies. Take Jane, a single mother struggling with debt. She began using specific affirmations daily, such as, "I am financially free," and "money flows to me easily." Within a year, she not only paid off her debts but also started a successful business. Or consider Mark, who turned his financial life around by changing his negative self-talk into positive affirmations. These examples highlight a universal truth: the words we choose to speak to ourselves and others can set the stage for our success or failure. By understanding this, we set the foundation for unlocking the potential of the 4 words we will reveal shortly. But before we get to that, let's explore how you can integrate these principles into your daily life for maximum impact. Now that we have a solid understanding of the immense power words can hold, it's time to reveal the 4 words that can change your financial life. These words are not random, they are carefully chosen for their profound impact on your mindset and behavior. So, what are these transformative words? The 4 words are, "I am financially free." Let's break down each word and understand why it is so powerful. This word puts the power and responsibility directly on you. It is a declaration that you are the center of your financial journey. By starting with "I," you acknowledge that you are the one who can create change. This word signifies the present moment. It is a powerful affirmation that your financial freedom is not a distant dream but a present reality. By using "am," you condition your mind to believe and act as if financial freedom is already yours. Financially, this word focuses your affirmation on the specific area of your finances. It brings clarity to what aspect of your life you are working to improve. Clarity is crucial because the mind responds best to specific and clear instructions. Free, this word encapsulates the ultimate goal, freedom. Financial freedom means different things to different people, but universally, it represents a state of being where money is no longer a source of stress or limitation. It symbolizes the freedom to live life on your own terms. When you combine these words, I am financially free, you create a powerful affirmation that aligns your thoughts, emotions, and actions towards achieving financial freedom. But remember, it's not just about saying the words, it's about believing them and integrating them into your daily life. These 4 words serve as a mantra, a guiding light that keeps you focused on your goal. Every time you say them, you reinforce your commitment to financial freedom. You start to see opportunities where you once saw obstacles. Your mindset shifts from scarcity to abundance. To help you integrate these words into your life, here are a few practical tips. Morning affirmations. Start your day by repeating I am financially free at least 5 times. This sets a positive tone for the day and keeps your goal at the forefront of your mind. Visualization. Close your eyes and visualize what financial freedom looks like for you. Imagine yourself living that reality. This mental imagery, combined with your affirmation, strengthens your belief and motivation. Journaling. Write down your affirmation daily. Reflect on what financial freedom means to you and the steps you are taking towards it. This practice reinforces your commitment and helps you track your progress. By consistently using these 4 words and integrating them into your daily routine, you will start to notice shifts in your mindset and your financial situation. But we're not done yet. Next, we'll discuss how to apply these words in practical ways to see real changes in your financial life. Now that you know the 4 powerful words, I am financially free, it's time to put them into action. Knowing these words is one thing, but applying them in your daily life is what will truly make the difference. Here are some practical ways to integrate this powerful affirmation into your routine and start seeing real changes. First, let's talk about daily affirmations. Begin each day by standing in front of a mirror, looking yourself in the eye, and confidently stating, I am financially free. Repeat this affirmation at least 5 times every morning. This simple practice can set a positive tone for your day, reinforcing your financial goals and aligning your actions with your aspirations. Next, consider the power of visualization. Visualization is a powerful tool that can enhance the effectiveness of your affirmations. Take a few minutes each day to close your eyes and vividly imagine what financial freedom looks like for you. Picture yourself living a life where money is not a source of stress but a tool for achieving your dreams. Imagine the freedom, the opportunities, and the peace of mind that come with financial security. The more detailed and realistic your visualization, the more powerful it will be. Another effective method is journaling. Dedicate a notebook to your financial journey and write down your affirmation, I am financially free, every day. Alongside this, jot down your financial goals, the steps you're taking to achieve them, and any progress you've made. This practice not only reinforces your commitment but also provides a tangible record of your journey towards financial freedom. Reflecting on your progress can boost your motivation and keep you focused. In addition to these personal practices, it's important to incorporate your affirmation into your financial planning. When you're budgeting, making investment decisions, or considering new financial opportunities, remind yourself of your affirmation. Let I am financially free guide your decisions and keep you aligned with your long-term goals. This mindset shift can help you make more confident and informed choices. Another powerful strategy is to share your affirmation with a trusted friend or family member. Having someone who supports your goals and can hold you accountable can significantly enhance your commitment to financial freedom. Share your affirmation with them, discuss your goals, and update them on your progress. This external support can be incredibly motivating. Lastly, let's talk about using your affirmation in moments of financial stress. Whenever you face a financial challenge or feel overwhelmed, take a deep breath and repeat your affirmation. "I am financially free" can serve as a calming mantra, helping you to refocus and approach the situation with a clear and positive mindset. By consistently applying these practical steps, you will start to see a shift in both your mindset and your financial situation. Remember, it's not just about saying the words but living them, believing in them, and letting them guide your actions every day. Now, before we continue, let's take a moment for a quick but important reminder. Before we move on to explore more about how these 4 words can transform your financial life, I want to take a moment to invite you to join our community. If you're finding value in this video and want to continue learning how to improve your financial mindset and achieve your goals, make sure to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you're taking a proactive step towards your financial freedom. You'll get access to more content like this, packed with tips, strategies, and insights that can help you on your journey. Plus, by hitting the notification bell, you'll be the first to know when new videos are released, ensuring you never miss out on the latest advice and motivation. Joining our community means you're not alone in this journey. You'll be part of a group of like-minded individuals, all striving for financial success and supporting each other along the way. So, take a second to click that subscribe button and become part of something bigger. Like this video if you're inspired, and let us know in the comments how these affirmations are starting to impact your life. Remember, your journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. Every step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goal. And we're here to walk that path with you, every step of the way. Now, let's get back to how you can harness the power of "I am financially free" to create tangible changes in your financial life. Now that you're equipped with the knowledge of how to integrate "I am financially free" into your daily life, let's talk about the results you can expect and the benefits you'll experience. Firstly, adopting these affirmations will start to shift your mindset from scarcity to abundance. This is crucial because our mindset heavily influences our actions and decisions. By constantly affirming "I am financially free," you're training your brain to focus on opportunities rather than obstacles. You'll begin to notice possibilities and solutions that you might have overlooked before. Next, you can expect a boost in your confidence and motivation. Financial challenges often create a sense of fear and helplessness. However, as you repeatedly affirm your financial freedom, you build a stronger belief in your ability to manage and improve your financial situation. This increased confidence will empower you to take proactive steps, whether it's budgeting more effectively, seeking new income streams, or making smarter investments. You'll also experience improved emotional well-being. Financial stress can take a significant toll on your mental health. By shifting your focus to positive affirmations, you'll reduce anxiety and stress, leading to a more balanced and peaceful state of mind. This emotional stability not only enhances your quality of life but also allows you to make clearer, more rational financial decisions. Over time, you'll likely see tangible improvements in your financial situation. Many people who practice regular positive affirmations report that they start seeing unexpected sources of income, better financial opportunities, and an overall improvement in their financial health. This isn't just coincidence, it's the result of a focused, positive mindset and proactive behavior. Let's look at some real-life examples. Take Jane, whom we mentioned earlier. After she began her daily affirmation practice, she not only cleared her debt but also found the courage to start her own business. Similarly, Mark, who was initially struggling with financial instability, managed to turn his situation around by consistently affirming his financial freedom and taking calculated risks based on his newfound confidence. These examples show that while the affirmations are simple, their impact can be profound and far-reaching. The key is consistency and belief. By integrating "I am financially free" into your daily routine and truly believing in its power, you set yourself on a path to financial abundance and security. As you continue this practice, remember that financial freedom is a journey. There will be ups and downs, but with a positive mindset and a clear affirmation guiding you, you'll be well equipped to navigate any challenges that come your way. Next, let's discuss another important aspect of your journey, a powerful tool that can further enhance your path to financial freedom. Now, as you embark on this transformative journey towards financial freedom, I want to share with you an incredible resource that can further enhance your progress. We've put together a comprehensive personal development guide, designed to help you not only with your financial goals but also to find inner peace and overall well-being. This guide is packed with practical tips, actionable steps, and insightful exercises that complement everything we've discussed in this video. It covers a wide range of topics, including financial management, personal growth, stress reduction, and mindset enhancement. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your progress to the next level, this guide is tailored to meet you where you are. By following the strategies outlined in the guide, you'll gain deeper insights into your financial habits, learn how to set realistic and achievable goals, and develop the resilience needed to overcome challenges. More importantly, it will help you cultivate a mindset of abundance and positivity, reinforcing the powerful affirmation, "I am financially free." The best part is, this guide is available for you right now. You can find it linked in the first comment pinned below this video. It's our way of providing you with the support and tools you need to succeed on your journey. Imagine having a roadmap that not only guides you to financial freedom but also helps you achieve a balanced and fulfilling life. That's what this guide offers. It's more than just a financial manual, it's a holistic approach to personal development. So, take this opportunity to invest in yourself. Click on the link in the first pinned comment, download the guide, and start applying its principles today. Your future self will thank you for taking this step. And now, let's wrap up with a powerful conclusion that will leave you motivated and ready to take on the world. As we come to the end of this video, let's take a moment to recap what we've covered and reinforce the powerful message we've explored today. We began by understanding the immense power of words and how they can shape our financial destiny. We delved into the science and history behind the impact of language, and we saw real-life examples of individuals who transformed their lives through positive affirmations. Then, we revealed the 4 transformative words, "I am financially free." We explored their significance and how they can shift your mindset from scarcity to abundance. We discussed practical ways to integrate these words into your daily routine through affirmations, visualization, journaling, and mindful financial planning. You now have the tools to start this journey towards financial freedom. But remember, it's not just about the words, it's about the belief and consistent action that follow. By embracing this powerful affirmation and making it a part of your life, you are setting yourself up for a future of financial stability and success. As you move forward, keep reminding yourself that you have the power to change your financial story. Every step you take, no matter how small, is a step towards achieving your goals. And don't forget, you're not alone in this journey. Our community is here to support you, and our personal development guide is available to provide you with even more tools and strategies. If you found value in this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, and like this video. By doing so, you'll stay connected and continue to receive valuable content that will support your journey. Lastly, I encourage you to share your experiences in the comments below. How have these affirmations started to impact your life? What changes have you noticed? Your story could inspire others to take their first steps towards financial freedom. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, you are financially free, and your journey towards abundance starts now. Keep believing, keep affirming, and keep moving forward. Until next time, stay positive and empowered.